Hey team, today we're going to be hopefully unboxing and unpicking this $7 Kmart lock. Now I actually have off camera had trouble with a $2.50 Kmart lock, which definitely took me down a peg after being able to unbox his little cousin so quickly. So let's have a look at what we got here. So this is a 40mm long shackle brass padlock with hardened steel shackle. Comes with 3 keys and no written instructions. Okay. Okay, so it's definitely spring loaded. It's actually got a very satisfying little spring to it. I'd be happy with that. It does feel a bit dodgy though when you go to reload it. You can kind of feel that cheapness. Very weird lock to get tension. Like unboxed, like rating it from how easy it is to pick. Ooh, very weird locking mechanism. Let's try the wide boy. It's almost like it's getting stuck. Like it's so bad that it's almost good. It's hard to pick. So you got this little hole, which I understand that sometimes you can sort of just poke down and it will spring. But not as it seemed to be in this case. Let's just try that method on over here. No. Either I need a different tool, which I don't have, which would just be like this. I'm not willing to snap this off because I like my picks. Okay, we're running at 3 minutes 14. Oh. It's very, very, like the mechanism kind of wiggles a lot. Actually makes it very hard. Like it's almost like it's so badly built that it's hard to pick. Okay. Got it picked. So it's not actually that hard to pick. It's just the thing of actually getting it positioned. Once you get it positioned, it sort of springs open. But actually getting your So actually getting your pick and tension tool in place, like it doesn't even want to close back up really. You can't really force it. So yeah, you just got to really put your picking tool in first, and once you get just a little bit of tension on it and you push up, it's not even a case of single picking, it's just like pushing up. Anyway, thanks team for watching, and please subscribe and like if you feel inclined to.